Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Math. In this session we are going to solve the product property of cube roots of unity, which is product of cube roots of unity is 1, i.e. 1 multiplied with omega square is equal to 1. As we know that omega is equal to minus 1 plus iota square root 3 divided by 2, and omega square is equal to minus 1 minus iota square root 3 divided by 2. So the product 1 multiplied with omega square is equal to 1 multiplied with value of omega, which is minus 1 plus iota square root 3 divided by 2 multiplied with minus 1 minus iota cube root square root 3 divided by 2. Now any number multiplied with 1 is the number itself. So we have minus 1 plus iota square root 3 multiplied with minus 1 minus iota square root 3 divided by, in the denominator we have 2 multiplied with 2. In numerator we will use the formula a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So 1 dot omega square is equal to minus 1 whole square minus iota square root 3 whole square, and 2 multiplied with 2 is 4. Square of minus 1 is 1, and square can be separated for iota, and square root 3, as we know that iota is equal to square root minus 1, so iota square will equal to minus 1. So we can write that 1 dot omega square is equal to 1 minus, insert the value minus 1 for iota square, and this square cancels out with square root, so we have left with 3 divided by 4. 1 dot iota omega square is equal to 1 minus multiplied with minus is plus, and 1 multiplied with 3 is 3. So we have 4 divided by 4, which is equal to 1. Hence 1 dot omega square is equal to 1. Hopefully this is easy to understand. If you find the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon so that you can get notified when a math problem is solved. Thank you.